Let's make this creamy beef shawarma. So you're going to start by slicing the beef really thin. So you want to use a very sharp knife for this, so sharpen your knife beforehand. You can also place the beef in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes beforehand. This makes it much easier to slice thin. When you're done, transfer to a bowl, then season with salt, pepper, crushed beef seasoning cube, garlic powder, a little oil, and a little lemon juice. The lemon juice helps tenderize the beef and also gives it a nice flavor. Mix everything really well. If you have time, you can let it marinate for about 30 minutes, but it's not compulsory. Next, heat up your pan or skillet. Make sure the pan is very hot before adding the beef. The hot pan is going to give you a nice grilled beef taste and effect. Also, try not to overcrowd the pan. If you add too much beef at once, the temperature of the pan will drop and the beef will start steaming instead of browning. And we want that nice brown color and flavor, so cook the beef in batches if needed. Once done, set aside. If you're using hot dogs, toss them around in the hot pan for a couple of minutes until lightly brown. Now it's time to prep the vegetables. I usually use just cabbage and carrots. Some people like to add cucumbers to their shawarma. I'm not a fan of cucumbers, so I usually don't add that. Remove a couple of leaves from the cabbage, cut in two, then slice it really thin, almost like you're making coleslaw. For the carrot, simply rinse, peel if you want to, and grate. For the sauce, combine mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet chili sauce, you can replace that with sugar, lemon juice, and red pepper. Mix everything until smooth and your shawarma sauce is ready. Now for the filling, add the cooked beef, the cabbage, the carrots, and any other vegetable you're using. Add a generous amount of the sauce and mix everything together. Mixing the filling beforehand is always a great idea because it helps you gauge how much sauce you want to use. So if you like it extra creamy, feel free to add more sauce. Now it's time to assemble, so grab your pita bread. I like to open it up into two pieces because it gives me more room to work with and it makes the rolling easier. Add a generous amount of the filling, slightly off center. If you're using hot dogs, add one on top, then roll everything up nice and tight. This recipe makes two shawarmas, so I'm making one with hot dog and one without. Again, close, fold the sides in and roll it up nice and tight. Lastly, heat up a pan, then place the shawarma with the inside facing down. Toast for a couple of minutes. This step is going to help seal the edge, warm the filling through, and give the outside a nice crispy and golden finish. Once it's done, cut in half and enjoy. The full recipe will be in the description box. You can also get a written detailed recipe on my website, kikifoodies.com. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video.